In this video, we will walk you through how to add the transparency scrolling effect in Jupyter X using Elementor. You'll learn how to add a dynamic fade-in effect to your page sections as users scroll. You can add Jupyter X's scrolling transparency effect to any widget, section, or container. To start, let's open the page in Elementor so we can enable the transparency effect. Select the element you want to add the transparency effect to. Open the Advanced tab. Expand the Motion Effects section. Enable the scrolling effects. Add the transparency effect by clicking on the pencil icon. Now the element has a transparency scrolling effect as you scroll the page. I'll drag the viewport slider from 20 to 40% so the section fades in earlier. Now I'll open the page preview so we can test the transparency effect live in a new tab. Scroll down to see the section fade in. Now you've successfully activated the transparency scrolling effect in Jupyter X. Go ahead and experiment with different viewport settings to find the perfect fade-in for your content.